Have you ever wondered why your rice water is always going bad? Today I'm going to be sharing with you the proper way to make rice water a natural and effective treatment for healthy hair growth. So guys, stay tuned, relax, and I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So let's get started. We're going to be needing half cup of rice, some orange peels, and then we have our rosemary here. So to start with, I went ahead to start washing my rice. Here I'm having my half cup of rice and I added some water to wash the rice just to make sure that it is clean enough for us to soak. Just a quick reminder guys, if you see any ads while watching this video, please don't skip them. Watching the ads helps support my channel so I can keep bringing you valuable content like this. Thank you so much for your support. After washing the rice, I went ahead to sieve it. I also used another clean water to pour over it just to make sure I rinse off that starch. So afterwards, I went ahead to get a bottle jar. Guys, you need a bottle jar, not a plastic jar. Rice water can go bad in a plastic jar if not stored properly. So you need to have a bottle jar to be able to store your rice properly, okay? This is how to tell if your rice water has gone bad. When you are fermenting that rice water, you will see a visible mold on it, or at first you will see a thin film that will form on it, and later it will become fuzzy in texture, and it can be white, gray, black, yellow or green. So even the jar will also smell rotten. So if that happens, please discard the rice water, okay? Now that my rice is ready, I went ahead to add my rosemary leaves in the jar.
Also added my orange peel.
This helps to add more nutrients and fragrance. So you can use grape peels in place of orange if available. If you have watched the video up to this point, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with someone who might find it helpful, and also comment down below to tell me if you have done rice water before or you're planning to do it. Thank you. Also to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best. You can also follow me at Riri Wadinobi on Facebook and Instagram, also at Rita on TikTok. Thank you, Asidusa. Now that everything is ready, I went ahead to start adding water and make sure the water is covering all the items. So you need to store this in an airtight container so that no air can go in, okay, and no leakage. So I shake this through and then I stored it in a dark, cool place for about 24 hours to allow it to infuse. So this is after 24 hours. You can see the rice has doubled in size. So I went ahead to scoop out the rosemary and the orange peels and set it aside. Note, I'm not throwing this away because we're still going to make use of it. Once that is done, I pour the rice in a bowl and then I started to rub the rice between my palms to release the starch, turning the water milky.
What had a CG?
Once that is done, I went ahead to sieve this rice water with a sieve and make sure I remove all the rice because we're not going to be needing the rice anymore. After sieving, this is what our rice water is giving us, looking cloudy, like milky form. Then I went back to add my orange peels and rosemary back into the water, and then I stood in a dark place for about 3 more days to ferment. It's a long process, right? But it is worth every time of yours. While we are waiting for the rice to ferment for 3 days, let me tell you the benefit of rice water and its history. Rice water has been used for centuries, especially by the women of the Yao tribe in China, who are known for their long, healthy hair. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that nourish the scalp, strengthen the hair strands, and promote growth. The antioxidant in the rice water also helps to repair damaged hair and improve elasticity. You might be wondering why I'm adding water here. I'm adding water just to cover up the items. I don't want it sticking out, so that's why I'm adding more water to it. And then I gave it a shake and store it away for 3 days. So this is after 3 days, guys. You will notice that the milk is at the bottom. Are you seeing that? Is at the bottom? So I gave it a shake. So this rice water has fermented perfectly. I strain it once again, this time around I'm removing the orange peel and the rosemary. And you can see this didn't even go bad. Look at the orange peels, guys. I'm going to be showing you. It's not even after 3 days in the water, it's still looking fresh. Look at that. This is after 3 days and these are still looking okay. Nothing happened to it, to show that this is a perfect fermented rice water.
What had a CG?
So it's time to transfer this rice water in a jar. Again, I'm using my bottle jar. So this time around I'm going to sieve it again because I don't want any particles in it. So I'm sieving it with this white cloth mesh in order to avoid any form of particles in it. After sieving it, I went ahead to transfer this rice water in my spray bottle because I'm going to be showing you how I sprayed it in my hair. So this is the other jar. I make sure I have 2 containers of this rice water. This will last me for about 2 weeks, guys. So you can make large quantity and store it in the fridge. You need to store this in the fridge to stop fermentation. If you don't store it in the fridge, it is going to go bad, guys. So next I'm adding my peppermint oil and my lavender essential oil in this rice water. I'm adding it to only the one I'm going to be using as of now. I'm not going to add it in the bigger jar because I'm not using it at the moment. So anytime I want to use it, that's when I'm going to put this. And guys, this is totally optional. If you don't have, you might leave it because even this rice water smells nice because of the rosemary and the orange peels I added into it. So guys, my rice water is ready to use. The remaining one, I'm going to be storing it in my refrigerator for future use, okay? I just love how the color of this rice water turns out, looking beautiful, looking vibrant. So this is the perfect way to make your rice water and it won't go bad, okay? Finally, I demonstrated how I apply the rice water to my hair. I make sure to spray it evenly onto my scalp and hair strands, gently massaging it in for maximum absorption. Rice water can be used as a rinse, leave-in, or treatment depending on your hair needs. But right now I'm using mine as the leave-in, so I'm going to be applying this on my hair every day as my water base. So That is it for today, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're excited to try rice water for yourself, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to support my journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.